It is November and cold days are coming. It is time to take care of outside faucet. Make sure that doesn't break over the time when it's cold. And the way that I'm doing this, I will first disconnect the hose and let all water go out, so it will not freeze in the middle of the cold days. And there is nothing coming out, so which is good. Maybe just a little bit, just one drop or two. And one more additional thing to prevent freezing is I'm gonna use this cover that I purchased at Home Depot, and all you need to do is hook it to the handle and tie this to make good sealing between siding and cover. This is very simple and cheap maintenance that anybody can do to prevent big deal repair next year. Thank you for watching.